Alright, so once we've done pilot jets, main jets, and emulsion tubes with the wire brush trick, we're going to pass compressed air and carb cleaner through every orifice in this carb. Their oil intake, if you block this off, that's fine. Every single overflow tube, everything must be clean. Carb cleaner goes through every single portion of that, including the choke circuit. Now our choke, which we spoke about earlier, this guy is actually bent. You can actually see if I twist it in my hand, it's got a bend in it. So we're going to pop the knob off the end and fix that. And the two positions are not locking in properly. So we're going to show you what that looks like. Let me pause the video. What we've got to do is we've got to extend this guy out. If I can do it by hand. Yeah, in any case. And we've got to remove this rubber boot to expose the brass circlip. We're going to pop that out. Okay, so we've taken the rubber boot off, and in that slot right over there next to my thumb, if we can get focus, yeah, you can see there's a circlip in there, so we need to remove that. Alright, so I popped the knob off the end. I forgot that the circlip doesn't need to be removed. The circlip within here, we've got the spring, and we've got, obviously this one, like I said, is bent. You can see that's pretty bent. The circlip under spring tension, I wish my camera would work properly, guys, interacts with these indents in the brass. I think this guy's not working properly on position 1 or 2 because it's bent. We'll ascertain what's going on there once I've straightened this a bit. But what one can do is one can take a needle file, and file those grooves with a triangular file a little bit more pronounced to refurbish the function.